Hello guys, welcome to dingpongcrate, and today's video is going to be this thing I am holding right now. It's just a red handle and the brand name is Giantisan. And have you guys seen this tool right here? It's rivet gun. Well, you haven't seen it. This thing is very similar to the ones down here. We're all familiar with this type of screws. They come in different thickness, the length, and things like that. Well, this particular that I'm holding in my hand uses this kind, and they call it a rivet. Rivet also comes with the long ones, and some are short ones, some are fatter, and we have a project we get to do using this thing. And why don't we go ahead and do this now? The rivet gun that I was showing to you earlier, we're going to use that rivet gun on this vacuum, on Hoover vacuum that we're going to use. And let me kind of demonstrate to you what is happening. Now, let me go ahead and step on that vacuum, and I'm going to go ahead and pretend like I'm vacuuming. And as I vacuum, look at what is happening with my handle. It just goes up and down because it does not stay in stationary like this, so that I can go ahead and vacuum. It just comes right off. And let me show to you exactly what this thing's happening. Let me go ahead and pull the green lever and pull this thing out. And can you see, guys, that this little hole right here in which holds the vacuum tunnel right here? And let me show you what it just came off. This little rivet came off right off of it here. Okay, so for me to fix that using this type of screw will not work on this particular case, and using a nut and a screw for it will not work on this case either, because there's no way for me to hold the bolt and screw this at the same time because it's in the inside the chamber here. So only way that it will work in this particular case is if I put this rivet right here and then put this thing inside. Let me find a hole. Okay, let me demonstrate. And place like that. That will solve the problem, and it will be very nice, clean looking. And so I will show you how to use a rivet gun and all this, everything else in the next clip. Brand name is Giantisan, and it's a very strange name, but this is a rivet gun that I bought from Amazon, and it came just like this in hard case plastic with handle, comes up like this, and these are just a plastic, not a metal. And when you go ahead and lift it up, it comes with the manual and actual rivet gun, and you get a bunch of little rivets on different sizes. And they also throw you in the drill bit right here for it, which is a really awesome for it. And for me, so with the just rivet gun right here, this is how it works. For example, this particular rivet right here, it comes in different sizes, so you have to pick the right size for it. And either this one doesn't quite fit in, so it's gonna fit the green one. And so you want to use the right hole for the rivet here. And so in order for it to change, it's very easy. So right now it's in a locked position, and so that the rivet inside the chamber is all locked. And all you gotta do is to turn it. And we're gonna put this one right here, which undo this one, and stick it in here. That way you can just slide right in. Boom, it's ready to go. So, and how this thing works is basically you stick the rivet here inside. As you release, sticking it inside all the way in, and then you squeeze it and squeeze it and squeeze it until this thing pops, and then it's permanent locked in. So let me go ahead and demonstrate for you right now. Now I do have to explain to you something. In the last week I did order a rivet gun. The adapter goes right into the drill, and then as the drill turns on, it does automatically self-locking, locking, and then this thing pops out. Well, guess what? I ordered twice, and either I am the idiot or the mechanical of rivet gun adapter goes to the drill was not malfunctioning, but twice it did not work on me, and I was using this one as a practice. for it, and it did work very, very good in fastening wise, as you can tell. But when I try to take this thing right here off of it, the adapter rivet gun thing was stuck every time. So because of that, I could not use it, and I decided to go ahead and go through the manual. And so far I've been using this, and it had no problem releasing this pin off of it. And so let me go ahead and demonstrate how this thing works. And I really love this thing, how this thing's rubber. It's just rubber right here, so it's really easy on your hand and easier to grip and easier to trigger like this. So let me go ahead and do the demonstration by doing an insert this rivet right here, and I'm going to go ahead and just put it in a little bit more. Okay, it's inserted, and let me go ahead and put this thing right over here. I should have some kind of holder, to demonstrate, but I don't have one of those. So hopefully this will work. Hold right here, and I'm going to go ahead and trigger this by releasing it and then tuck it in a little bit more. Okay, like this. And I gotta do one more time. Boom, like that. Look at this. That is nice and tight, and nothing is gonna loosen this. And then release the rivet. You just go like this. Oops, like this. There it goes. See how easy these things came off? And the one for the drill for the rivet gun adapter thing, it did not come off like this. It just got stuck in a chamber inside, and I was frustrated. So let's go ahead and work on the vacuum. Alright guys, so I do have an actual vacuum handle right here with the chamber inside like this. And let's go ahead and use this rivet right here and go ahead and fix this. So I'm going to go ahead and insert this a plastic ring, insert the vacuum chamber right inside. And I'm going to align it with this hole and that hole, just like this. And I am going to go ahead and insert this rivet right here, just like so. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and place it on the floor so that I can have a good firm. And then I'm going to go ahead and insert this rivet gun right to the thing, and then I am going to go ahead and trigger this about 3 times. Okay guys, so here I go. Here's one time, squeeze, and then can you see how kind of pops up a little bit? So I'm going to release it. As I release it, it's allowing me to go insert in more, so I can have a better grip. And I'm going to squeeze it twice. Okay. And each time I squeeze it, the rivet thing behind it, it just expands, and that's how it locks it. So this is my second time, and I'm going to go ahead and slowly release it. See how this rivet gun is going up. And I'm going to insert it more. Okay, this is going to be the 3rd time. Boom. Look at that. And I'm going to go ahead and release this pin. There you have it right here. Look at this. Clean. Nice. I'm excited, so let's go ahead and test it out. So here's the vacuum right here, and it's been attached with the rivet right here. Let's go ahead and slide right in. And oh my goodness, it's great. Let's go ahead and put the foot down, and I'm going to go ahead and actually pretend I'm vacuum. Look at that. This handle does not come up and down and slide back and forth like this. This is amazing. So having this tool allow this to fix this for it. So it's really good if you're like a property management or repairing. If you're a homeowner, this rivet gun thing is really good to have. It's just another option, allow the object and object to bond it together. So guys, thanks so much for watching my video, and I see you next video. Thanks much.